Good morning. Let us start with today's session. Okay, so let us start with the first question of the day and the first question of the game theory. So the first question is find optimum strategy of the players in the game. And the game question is given like this. Okay, so it is player A and player B. As already told you, this is the payoff matrix indicating the values of profit or loss to player A. So now we have seen that player A will always try to use minimax principle and player B will try to use maximin principle. So what we should do in any problem of game theory, first we need to make this table. And I have already made this table for you in your worksheets. What you have to do, you have to add two columns, row minimum, and as we have seen that player A will be using maximin strategy, I will write here maximin. And similarly for column में क्या था, player B will try to minimize the maximum loss. So first of all, I will try to find out maximum, and then I will try to find out minimum from the maximum loss. Okay. So what do we do? It's very simple. क्या लिखा है? Row minimum. So from first row, what is the minimum number? From first row, what 15. Is minimum number? 15. अच्छा, ये समझ में आ रहा है कि मैं क्यों किया ये? Why I am finding out minimum from first row? Why? ये क्या बता रहा है मुझे? What does it indicate? Why I am taking row minimum?
Minimum profit to player A.
Minimum profit to player A. Good. देखो, if player A, suppose player A ने A1 strategy चल लिया, वो बाकी का वैल्यू उसने देखा नहीं, ऐसे मतलब रैंडमली उसने प्लेयर ए ने स्ट्रेटेजी 1 चला, तो प्लेयर 1 स्ट्रेटेजी 1 चलने के बाद भी कम से कम प्रॉफिट कितना होगा उसको? कम से कम प्रॉफिट, गारंटीड प्रॉफिट है वो 15 रुपीज उसका, या 15 वैल्यू उसकी गारंटीड प्रॉफिट है, उसलिए हम लोग उसको निकालते हैं रो मिनिमम, कि वो कुछ भी कर ले इतना तो उसको मिलना ही है. समझ में आ रहा लॉजिक? रो मिनिमम निकालने का मतलब क्या है कि प्लेयर बी कुछ भी चले, अब प्लेयर ए कुछ भी चले, अगर प्लेयर ए ने फर्स्ट स्ट्रेटेजी चला है तो उसको 15 रुपए तो गारंटीड मिलना ही मिलना है. Hope you are understanding the logic.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Similarly, from
Yes,
if
sir.
let us say now player A is playing strategy 2, what is the minimum guaranteed profit?
40.
40. Good. And for the third strategy?
35.
Third strategy is 35. Okay. अब let us say again you are a business person. Again you are a business person और तीनों strategies से आपको minimum profit मिल गए. So what strategy you will choose? कौन सी choose करोगे तुम?
2.
Very good. So you can see that the A2, the value A2 in minimum also, हमने minimum देखे तब भी उसका profit क्या है? Maximum है. हमने क्या देखे? रो में minimum. तो minimum होने के बाद भी उसका profit maximum का पे मिल रहा है, उसको A2 पे मिल रहा है. So I will write here maximin is equal to 40. Now come to the player B side. Player B बेचारा तो नुकसान में जाएगा ही जाएगा. Okay, because player A ने कुछ तो खेल लिया है. Now you can see, let us say, because he will try to minimize the maximum loss. So you will see what is the maximum loss to player B if he chooses 1. What is maximum loss?
53.
Yes, maximum loss is 53 because it will be gained to player A. So I will write down 53 here. Okay, let us say player B plays strategy 2. What will be the maximum loss?
40.
40. Okay, and third strategy, for third strategy?
50.
Okay. तो अब प्लेयर बी ने क्या किया, थोड़ा सा दिमाग लगा के लॉसेस निकाल लिया कि अगर प्लेयर मैं 1 खेलूंगा तो मुझे लॉस हो सकता है 53 का, 2 खेलूंगा तो हो सकता है 40 का, और 3 खेलूंगा तो हो सकता है 50 का. सो विच स्ट्रेटेजी ही शुड प्ले टू मिनिमाइज द लॉस? यस, सेकंड, दैट इज 40. क्योंकि वो अगर 1 चलता है तो उसको 53 का लॉस हो सकता है, तो यहाँ पर वो क्या करेगा? ही विल ट्राई टू मिनिमाइज द लॉस एंड द लॉस विल बी, द मिनिमम लॉस इज ऑन स्ट्रेटेजी 2. सो आई विल राइट हियर मिनिमम 40. So this completes your problem of game theory. देखो क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछा था? Find optimum strategy of the players in the game. So what you can say about player A? Player A कौन सी strategy चलेगा?
Second.
So I will write here answer value of the game. Okay, value of the game is 40 because on both side I am getting 40. So this is the optimum strategy. It will be lost to player B and it will be gained to player A. So value of the game. So here I have written S maximin is equal to minimax. X as maximin is equal to minimax. There exists a saddle point, मतलब वहां पर काम रुक गया और game it will be stopped. It is the optimum point. So that optimum value is nothing but the value of game. So value of game is 40 and I will write here strategy for A will be. देखो A पे मैंने first पे क्या लिखा? 0, second पे 1, third पे 0. Why? Because we know that A will be playing strategy number. समझ में आ रहा है आंसर कैसे लिखना है?
Yes, sir.
Because there were 3 strategies. First वो चलेगा नहीं, so it will be 0. Second वो use कर रहा है, so it will be 1, and third he is not using, hence it will be 0. So on the similar lines, can you tell me what will be strategy for B?
0 1 0.
0 1. So again I will write here strategy for B is 0 1 0, because he will be also using strategy number 2 to minimize the loss, or we can say to reach the saddle point. And this completes the problem for 5 to 6 marks. Was it easy?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
40 40 ऑलवेज इक्वली होएगा ना?
हाँ, इक्वल आया तो हम लोग लिखेंगे सैडल पॉइंट. ये देखो ना, यहाँ लिखा हूं मैंने, इक्वल आया दैट मींस इट इज सैडल पॉइंट. इफ इट इज नॉट इक्वल दैट मींस, ओके चलो, वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन. इफ दिस मैक्सिमिन इज इक्वल टू मिनिमम, मिनिमम नहीं एक्चुअली वो मिनी मैक्स है. दिस इज नॉट मिनिमिन मिनिमम, दिस इज मिनी मैक्स. यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा मिस्टेक है, दिस इज मिनी मैक्स. सो वी हैव टू राइट एट एज मैक्सिमिन इज इक्वल टू मिनी मैक्स, सैडल पॉइंट एग्जिस्ट. And if saddle point exists, we will tell that it is a pure strategy. Good question. देखो यहाँ पर मैंने क्वेश्चन ऊपर हेडिंग में लिखा हूँ, गेम विथ प्योर स्ट्रेटेजी. ये बताना भूल गया मैं. So when saddle point exists, that means if this number and this number are same, we say that saddle point exists and it is a pure strategy. That means कहीं तो 1 और 1 ही आएगा. It will be not like a mixed strategy. But when saddle point is different, that means if maximin is not equal to minimax, we will say that it is a mixed strategy game. मतलब वो 0 की जगह पे हो सकता है 0.5 है, और 1 की जगह पे 0.3 है, और तीसरे की जगह पे 0.2 है. The total of the strategy will become 1. In short, what I will say that if saddle point exists, it is a pure strategy. If saddle point does not exist, it is a mixed strategy. समझ में आया?
Yes sir.
Second problem. It's very simple. चल, question is, there is a company who are negotiating with the union for the 3-year settlement. Each of this has 4 strategies. What strategy do the sides adopt also determine value of the game. So here there are 2 players, one is company and one is union. So company is on the major side, that is on the A player side, and they have to select some strategy such that it is a win-win situation. ऐसा भी नहीं हो कि कंपनी को बहुत फायदा और यूनियन को लॉस हो जाए, या यूनियन को बहुत फायदा हो जाए कंपनी को लॉस हो जाए. So we have to optimize the game by using the concept of game theory. Okay, so as I said, we have to make a table in any problem of game theory, and the table structure will be like this. First we have to find out minimum in row and maximum in column, then maximum criteria and minimax criteria. And why is it so, I have already explained you in the detail. Okay, someone come as a volunteer and give the answer. What will be the answer for the first row minimum?
12.
First row minimum is 12. मतलब अगर यूनियन कंपनी ए कुछ भी करे, अगर स्ट्रेटेजी 1 चूज करेगी तो मिनिमम उसको प्रॉफिट तो 12 का है. ओके, फॉर 2 8, 3 के लिए यस 3 के लिए 2, 4 के लिए बोलो 0,
4
-5
0.
हाँ देखो, बोलो 0 बोले 0
5
-5.
क्या बोला है उधर? रो मिनिमम नंबर क्या है? -5 है. यहीं पर मिस्टेक करते लोग. मिनिमम नंबर इज -5. So here I will write -5. Okay. So now let us say you are company owner. Which strategy you will select?
4.
ये तो कंपनी डुबा के रहेगा. तू कौन बोला था रे वो -5 4 वाला?
1 sir, 1.
हाँ, जिसने 4 बोला था वो कंपनी डुबा देगा, कंपनी डुबाने का नहीं. ठीक है. So I will be selecting as a owner of company. I will be selecting strategy 1 which has a value of 12. Okay. अब आ जाओ तुम लोग सपोज यूनियन साइड को. यूनियन साइड है, कंपनी ने कुछ तो किया है, मतलब लॉस तो होना है. So from first strategy, what is the maximum value? What is the maximum loss if you play first strategy?
40.
Maximum loss is 40. For second,
15.
third,
12. 35.
35. नुकसान कहाँ पर कम करोगे? कौन से स्ट्रेटेजी में कम दिख रहा है? As a union, which strategy you will?
Third.
Because here the loss is minimum. So I will write minimum, minimax is
Pure strategy.
12. So as minimax is equal to maximin, as this both numbers are same, I will write as maximin is equal to minimax, there exists a saddle point and it is a problem of pure strategy. Okay. And now what is the value of game? Yes, answer will be 12. Whatever value we get in maximin and minimax column, that is the optimum one. It is only will be the value of game. So value of game 12. And what will be strategy for A? Strategy for A बताओ फटाफट.
1
0
1 0 0 0.
Perfect. It will be 1 0 0 0 because he will be adopting, or company will be adopting strategy 1. They will not be adopting other 3 strategies. Okay. And for strategy or for union side, what will be strategy for union side?
0 0 1 0.
0 0 1 0. Perfect. It will be 0 0 1 0 because they will be adopting strategy number 3. So here it will be 1 in place of 3 and rest all will be 0. So let me quickly move toward the third problem. Determine the value of game and strategy adopted by each player. Okay, and the question is like this. Okay, so let me give you 2 minutes time. Fatafat answer batao. 2 minutes time and give me the final answer. Okay, so let me start also with the problem. So as I told, for any problem, we have to make a table in which we will find out the minimum and maximum of the values. So for first row, the minimum guaranteed profit is -2 minimum. That means guaranteed अगर वो 5 चलेगा, strategy 1 चलेगा तो हो सकता है उसको नुकसान भी होने का चांस है. सेकंड स्ट्रेटेजी के लिए मिनिमम वैल्यू इज 6, थर्ड स्ट्रेटेजी के लिए मिनिमम वैल्यू इज 2 एंड फोर्थ मिनिमम वैल्यू इज 0 and the maximum is 6 and column maximum. So maximum loss to B if he uses strategy 1 is 16, then with B2 it is 10, B3 it is 6, B4 it is 14 and B5 it is 14 again. So you can see the minimum loss is again 6. So I will write here 6 and now again you can observe that minimax is equal to maximin. So as these two values are equal, I will write as maximin is equal to minimax, the exists a saddle point. That means it is a problem of pure strategy and it is a problem of pure strategy. So I will write value of game is equal to 6 and the strategies are, let me mark here. Yeah, okay, 6 is here. That means at the second part. So I will write 0 1 0 0 and 6 number here is appearing on the third one. So I will write 0 0 1 0 0. So most of you, yes, most of you, all of you have given the correct answers. Those who have given in the chat box. So I hope now you have understood the concept of game theory and how to solve the problems.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so one more last problem and then we can leave for the day. So the last problem is this one. The payoff matrix for the game is given below. Find solution to game A and B. Find solution to game A and B. That means find the strategies for game A and B. And the matrix is given like this. Okay, so in 2 minutes again I expect answers from you. Okay, it's time for solution. We have already waited for more than 2 minutes. Okay, so first row the minimum is -4, second row minimum is -1, third row minimum is -6 and fourth row minimum is -8. So here you can see, okay, here you can see that whatever strategy A plays, there will be a guaranteed loss. Yes or no? So what is maximin? What is maximin from this? So answer is -1. Correct.
Sir, -1 है.
Yes, -1 it will be there. देखो मिनिमम का मैक्सिमम देखना है. अब मैक्सिमम कौन सा है? -8 तो बहुत मिनिमम हो गया ना. मैक्सिमम इज -1. Then similarly from the column side we have to see maximum values. So maximum values in column side are 3 positive, then 1, then it is -1, then it is 3 again and then it is 4. So from this what is the maximum value?
Minimum value ना sir.
हाँ, नींद में नहीं है मतलब जाग रहा है. Okay, what is the minimum value? Yes.
-1.
-1. Okay, so here also -1, here also -1. What can you say? It is a game of pure strategy with a value of game as how much?
-1.
Yes, -1. And from -1 what can you conclude? What is your conclusion with -1?
The pure strategy है.
ना, प्योर स्ट्रेटेजी तो सैडल पॉइंट है इसलिए -1 वैल्यू आ गया. व्हाट इज द कंक्लूजन फ्रॉम दैट?
लॉस है, 1 रुपए का लॉस है.
यस, इट इज अ लॉस ऑफ 1 यूनिट टू प्लेयर ए व्हाटएवर स्ट्रेटेजी ही फॉलोज. कम से कम उसको इतना तो लॉस हो गई. ओके, so here I will write at maximin is equal to minimax, there is a saddle point and value of game is -1 and the strategy played are, what is the strategies played? So for simplicity what I will do, here it is -1, so I will just circle out -1 here and I will circle out -1 here, and I can see that -1 is appearing on the second row, so it will be 0 1 0 0, and here -1 is appearing on the third column, so it will be 0 0 1 0 0, and this completes the problem. Okay, any doubts?
No sir.